In today's class, I discuss about the drugs acting on the central nervous system. The CNS is responsible for controlling and regulating the many of our body functions, including our thoughts, emotion, and movement. Drugs that act on the CNS can have a wide range of the effect depending on the specific drug and the way it interacts with the brain. Some common types of drugs that act on the CNS, there are four types. First is the stimulants, which increase the activity of the CNS. Second are the depressants, which slow down the activity in the CNS. Next is the antipsychotics. Antipsychotics are those drugs which used to treat the mental disorders like schizophrenia and the bipolar disorders, and anti-anxietic drugs, and also known as the anxiolytics, which are used to treat the anxiety disorder. And we also discuss about the anesthetics, anticonvulsants, in that drugs that act on the CNS.